Hey, it's Ben. I got this ADIMO lockbox. Inside the box, I had this manual with the 2 sets of keys and the lockbox itself. This is just a solid metal. Has the keypad and a place to put the key in the front. And then there are some holes in the back where you can mount this to a wall or secure it. And there's also holes on the bottom so you can secure it in place so it can't be carried off. So to open it up to start, just got to push this in. It's spring loaded. Give it a turn, and then you can unlock the safe. So this does come with a bag that is both fireproof and waterproof. So it has a Velcro strap, it has a zipper, and then you can say it's insulated, which must be the fireproofing. So this is very secure. If you want just one extra level of safety for very important documents or items, that can go in this pouch and will fit into the lockbox. Inside the lockbox, it does have a felt bottom, and inside the door here is where you can place the batteries. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to set up the keypad. It does take 4 AA batteries that are not included. Okay, I've entered the batteries. I'm going to close it up. Now that I have the batteries in, I can just unlock it with the keypad using the default code. So I'm just going to type that in. And then you can turn to unlock, and it opens. So you can see here, these cylinders are what are going to keep it secure, and those are going to be very hard to break. So it's going to be a very secure lockbox. You can use the default password, but you can also reset the password by pushing the red button on the inside and then entering a new 1 to 8 digit password. And again, they do call these keys emergency keys, so you can use these exclusively if you want, but these are good just to have hidden in 2 different places separated from the lockbox. In the event you forget your code or the batteries are dead and you can't get in, the keys will be a mechanical way you can unlock. The instructions were very helpful in setting it all up. The inside dimensions are roughly 9 inches by 6 3/4 inches by about 7 inches. But keep in mind that the opening is about 6.5 inches by 5 inches. So you need to be able to stick it in here. Definitely big enough for small valuables. Get 2 of them if you have extra to store. It can go inside a cabinet, hidden away, bolted down for safety, even mounted up on a wall. It's a great safe. We plan to put all our valuables in it. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.